Today we'll learn how to configure VuWall 2 to work with multiple surfaces. Multiple surfaces allow us to come to a control room like this one and logically separate the video wall from the auxiliary monitors. This allows us to work on them independently but retain all the same sources and settings across all three surfaces. To begin setting up your surfaces, open the Server menu and click Configure Surfaces. We'll configure the grid to match the physical setup of our video card outputs, in our case a 4x2. Next, we draw a window to group certain outputs together. For instance, this 3x2 area is my video wall, and these two auxiliary monitors each have a single output. For the 3x2 wall, we'll give it a name and configure our grid to match. And do the same for the auxiliary monitors, leaving their grid at 1x1. The next screen is purely aesthetic. Here we'll provide a background image and arrange our windows to match the physical layout of the room for clarity. Now we're done and our surfaces appear on the sitemap. Dragging and dropping a source directly on the sitemap will fill that entire surface. You can also double-click to jump into a surface and arrange it freely, open other sources, and save layouts. You can move through the surfaces by tabs or come back to the sitemap view. Thanks for watching, and for more information, find us online at VuWall.com.